What does Northern Norway look like during summer? Norway is often regarded as one of the most beautiful countries in the world, famous for its fjords, waterfalls and a wide landscape. This is a true paradise of nature. What makes this country so special is that it looks completely different in the winter as it does in summer. And this year I was fortunate enough to travel here, and today I'm going to show you what this part of Norway looks like and what incredible natural phenomena are found here. So we arrived in the city of Tromsø, which is the northernmost city in the world with at least 50,000 inhabitants, as they have about 78,000. The view from the airplane window already showed a lot of beauty, with these smaller mountains still covered in winter snow. And for your information, this was in the first week of June, with temperatures between 10 and 15 degrees Celsius. This city lies on an island and is connected to the mainland with a couple of incredible bridges and a tunnel. And from there we hit the North Cape as our first goal. And when you look at the map of this area, you can see that it's all islands, fjords and peninsulas, and together with that the roads follow the coastline almost entirely, which adds a lot of distance. So to cut off some of that distance, we took a couple of ferries which give these stunning views of these fjords. After about 900 kilometers spread across 2 days, we arrived at the North Cape, or Nordkapp, which truly looks like the end of the earth. Being located at 71 degrees of latitude, this is the northernmost point of the European mainland, almost 2100 kilometers away from the geographical North Pole. The North Cape is situated on a 300 meter high cliff, which adds to the dramatic feeling that this is the end of Europe's land. From there, we of course traveled south again on our way to the Lofoten Islands. Traveling through the Midland, the landscape changes from rough and barren to a more gentle, hilly landscape with forests. And coming closer to the coast and the Lofoten, it all becomes more extreme as the hills become mountains again and countless fjords return. So, the Lofoten Islands are a group of about 80 islands in this part of Norway, and they are known for their exceptional beauty of nature as seen in these clips. You might wonder how this incredible landscape was even formed. So, this incredible landscape was formed by glacial erosion, which means that glaciers carved out these rough patterns that stayed hidden until the ice melted and it all became visible. This part of the country just asks for some beautiful hikes to see the view from up top, and that's exactly what I did. This hike is called Reinebringen and takes about 2000 steps to reach this stunning viewpoint. And just let this viewpoint sink in for a minute. It's a real reward after the hard work of climbing the stairs. In total, Norway has over 239,000 islands, of which approximately 2,000 are inhabited. Most of these islands are quite small, and so many of them are connected to each other and the mainland by countless bridges and tunnels, of which these were pretty special and spectacular. During this time of year, one of the most fascinating phenomena is the midsummer daylight. At this latitude, it doesn't get dark for several weeks, which means that the sun does not sink beneath the horizon. At about 1 o'clock at night, the sun is at its lowest point, which is then just 2 degrees above the horizon, but it's depending a little bit on where you are exactly. And it creates a golden hour that lasts for the entire night, as long as it's clear weather though. This is definitely an incredible experience that you should definitely have once in your life. I probably have missed some stunning sights in this part of the country because there are so many. And this was definitely one of the travel destinations at the top of my list, and after having traveled here I can definitely recommend it. This video right here tells you about 9 other beautiful trips that are full of natural and geographical beauty.